Marxa. Fora. Que no et volem. Marxis.
Hey, Mr. Curiosity, is it true what they've been saying about you? Are you killing me? You took care of the cat already. And for those who think it's heavy, is it the truth or is it only gossip? Call it mystery or anything, just as long as you'd call me. I sent the message on, did you get it when I left it? See, this catastrophic event, it wasn't meant to mean no harm, but to think there's nothing wrong is a problem. I'm looking for love this time, sounding hopeful, but it's making me cry. Love is a mystery, Mr. Curious. Come back to me, Mr. Waiting, ever patient, can't you see that I'm the same the way you left me? In a hurry to spell check me, and I'm underlined already in envy green and pencil red. And I've forgotten what you said, where you stop working for the dead and return. Mr. Curious, well, I need some inspiration. It's my birthday and I cannot find no cause for celebration. The scenario is grave, but I'll be braver when you save me from the situation laden with hearsay. I'm looking for love this time, sounding hopeful, but it's making me cry. And love is a mystery, Mr. Curiosity, be Mr. Please do come and find me. Sounding hopeful, but it's making me cry. Trying not to ask why. This love is a mystery, Mr. Curiosity, be Mr. Please do come and find me. Love is blinding when the timing's never right. Oh, who am I to beg for difference? Finding love in just an instant, well, I don't mind. At least I've tried. Well, I tried, I tried. Drain the veins in my head, clean out the reds in my eyes to get by security lines. Dear X-ray machine, pretend you don't know me so well. I won't tell if you lie. Crying cause your trout's been brought up, drinking cause you're looking so good in your Starbucks cup. I complain for the company that I keep, the windows for sleeping rearranged. Well, I'm nobody, well, who's laughing now? I'm leaving your town again, and I'm over the ground that you've been spinning, and I'm up in the air. Said, baby, hell yeah. Well, honey, I can see your house from here. If the plane goes down, damn, well, I'll remember where the love was found. If the plane goes down, damn, I should be so lucky. Even only 24 hours under your touch, you know I need you so much. I cannot wait to call you and tell you that I landed somewhere, and hand you a square of the airport, and walk you through the maze of the map that I'm gazing at, gracefully unnamed and feeling guilty for the luck in the note that you gave me. You make me somebody, oh nobody knows me, not even me can see it yet. I bet I'm leaving your town again, and I'm over the ground that you've been spinning, and I'm up in the air. Said baby, hell yeah. Well honey, I can see your house from here. If the plane goes down, damn, I remember where the love was found. If the plane goes down, damn. Well, they tear me open, and supposedly you could crawl right through me.